will defend, securing our safety and peace. We will fight till the end. As allies we stand in faraway lands, in the battle cry. We pay the price with great sacrifice. The fuel of freedom's fire. Together we fight for the blood of the nations. Warriors on demand. We kill and we die for the blood of the nations. A noble cause, and the blood is on their hands. We leave behind our homes to ensure our way of life, to avenge our brothers' murders, and stand up for what is right, for our countries and our future. Our legions carry on a war against the terror that we did not bring upon. As allies we stand in hostile lands, so the masses can be free. We pay the price with great sacrifice. That's the way it has to be. Together we fight for the blood of the nations. We are brothers hand in hand. We kill and we die for the blood of the nations. 'Cause war is hell. We pay with our lives for the blood of the nations. 'Cause freedom isn't free. We bleed and we cry.